Friends, Mayuri welcome you all to this final episode of our Mauritius trip, and your vacation in this paradise island would not be complete if you don't experience this wide range of water sports and the activities that the island has in store for you. Their turquoise blue water surrounding the island was not just peace to our eyes but also full of exciting opportunities for us to take part in, friends. So we were not the couple who would just sit in the honeymoon and chill and relax, but would equally enjoy participating in all this kind of water sports activities. So after understanding the safety instructions given by the instructor here, we were headed to the sea Kart activity that we wanted to explore first in this island, friends. While taking up all these activities, friend, I was a bit skeptical only for one reason, that Somik doesn't know swimming, although I don't know whether that's really going to be helpful here. We first headed towards this sea Kart activity, which is extremely fun and adrenaline rush that it gives to all of us, friends. La 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 la. And then we wanted to try this parasailing activity, friends, which is indeed a one-time experience in your life that you need to explore. It's an excellent must-try water sports in Mauritius, along with blessings to our eyes from a bird's point of view of the paradise island. Also, it fulfills all your thirst for a thrilling adventure, because after all, it's almost everybody's dream, friends, isn't it, to fly like a bird, lose yourself in the vastness of this turquoise blue water, float high in the sky and feel the wind against your face and witness some of the very beautiful and fantastic sights which one going to remember until the last moment, isn't it? And then we were taken to Grand River Southeast Waterfall through the speedboat, friends. Grand River Southeast is one of the longest river in Mauritius, and this spectacular waterfalls which we are going to visit, friend, is close to the mouth and also accessible by boat. This waterfall is one of the East Coast most popular attractions after this island, and I also do believe that after Cameron Waterfall, this was the best waterfall that we could see and witness from the very near, friends. Mauritius is undoubtedly one of the best destinations for honeymoon, friends. You get all kinds of scenic beauty, adventurous activities that one need to explore while on a honeymoon. Everything you get it, and its beautiful surrounding also gives a treat to your eyes, friends. We absolutely enjoyed this trip to Mauritius that we have presented in 3 episodes for all of you: Northern Island, Southern Island and the Eastern coast, with all the water sports activity. Please do let us know which one you like the most according to you. Out of all these 3 episodes that we have presented, which has been your favorite to see and the one that you would like to explore, friends? The boat will take you to very near to this falls, friends, and you can even witness all the waters that spilled on you and explore the magnificent view of this falls, friends. Then the magical world was waiting for us, friends. Who knew underwater experiences, such thrilling experiences? Only people who have done it would be able to understand how does it feel exactly. It was absolutely great experience for both of us, friends. To explore the rich sea life, friends, underwater sea walk is absolute fun and something that one should explore. It might be a little scary at the beginning, but it's worth it totally. Compared to all other water sports activities in the Mauritius island, this is one such gives you best underwater experience. Fishes will come and you could touch and experience, sense this fishes is one of our best experience in this paradise island, friends.